Hey everyone, welcome back to Marissa's Makings. Today we are going to engrave a dark blue 10-ounce Yeti Tumbler. I had this as a custom order request from a customer. So in order to do that, we are going to be using our WeCreat 40-watt Vision. And to do so, we have to install our rotary chuck. So I actually got the rotary upgrade with my laser. So I have the one where you can stick the pins in, have a little bit of larger working area. So you're just gonna line this up on the left side. There's gonna be 2 screws that go in on each side, and then the pin in the middle should line right up and fall into that hole. From there, you're just gonna screw it in nice and tight so your cup doesn't fall off while engraving. So once we have both those screws in, we're actually going to make sure that our cable is plugged in, as you can see in the back, make sure that that is out of the way. And then we're gonna get our round surface up on those metal arms. Once that cup is on those metal arms, we're gonna take our little mini Allen wrench looking thing, and we're actually going to tighten that in place so then our cup doesn't fall off of our rotary chuck. We're going to put the little piece, I don't really know what it's called, underneath on the other side to hold the other end up. And we're gonna use our level that came with the machine to make sure that everything's nice and straight. Once your cup is straight and leveled, you're going to open up your WeCreat program. I already have my design open, and you're going to center it with that line in the middle. You're going to want to resize it and adjust it and whatnot to make sure that it's nice and centered. You go into your settings. We're going to hit stainless steel tumbler blue, and I'm just using the preset settings for this engraving that I'm doing, because I've honestly never done one of the blue Yetis yet, so we shall see. So here you can preview your design, make sure that it's not too high, too low. I'm not doing a full wrap, I'm just doing on one side. So I'm essentially just making sure that it looks good and it's not too high or too low to where it's going to actually hit that Yeti symbol. Once you know that your settings are good, everything's lined up straight, and your cup is nice and tight, you can actually go ahead and send it to your laser. At this point, you can let it do all of its work and get it going by hitting send and then pressing the button on the front of the machine. Once your cup is finished lasering, you're just going to go ahead to the sink, run it under some warm water. I just used regular Dawn dish soap and some mussel. And then this is what it looks like when it's all said and done. If you want to craft with me, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment below. And thank you again for watching.